and welcome to Food Talk. Today we are going to be reviewing chemical and physical changes plus compound mixtures. The way we'll explain it is through food. The first guest we have to explain a mixture through smoothies is Wade Wilkins.
Hi everybody, I'm going to show you physical changes and how to make a smoothie. First, your ingredients that you'll need is strawberries and bananas, strawberry yogurt, and then just a little bit of water.
Now that we got the ingredients, we'll be back after this quick break. Now that we have the ingredients, let's get started.
Okay, first you put the yogurt in the blender.
You can put as much as you want in there.
Okay, next you can put the fruit in.
That too is optional how much you put in.
Okay, and next you can put a little bit of water in. After that is done, put the top on. And plug it in. Ben, can you go plug it in?
I sure can.
Now you can push it down and blend it. Then once it's all blended, you can serve it.
Okay, wait. While you're doing this, do you know any other mixtures within the kitchen?
Yes, I do.
Great. So what are they, if you want to tell us?
I'll tell you about them.
Let's hear them.
Okay, some of them are like Chex Mix, soup, and cinnamon sugar, but there's a lot more.
Now, how about some physical changes? And while we wait for Wade to get physical changes, let's take a break. Now we're back. Wade, can you tell us the physical changes?
Yes, some physical changes in the kitchen are like mixing foods. And when you mix the foods, they stay their own substance and don't change like when you chemically combine something.
Perfect. Now can you tell me the scientific definition for physical change?
Yes, the scientific definition is a change from one state to another without a change of chemical composition.
Nice definition.
Thanks.
Also, can you tell me about some elements?
Yes, I can.
Okay, what are some elements then?
Some elements are hydrogen, zinc, platinum, neon, gold, and chlorine.
Great.
Any more questions?
Nope, that's it for now. Now let's go to Caitlin and Cassidy, who are making cupcakes.
Welcome back. And the ingredients that you need are eggs, water, and vegetable oil. Okay, you also need a nice sized bowl and some cupcake tins. A compound is an object that is created with two or more separate elements. Okay, now a chemical change is something that has no interaction. Now let's put the ingredients into the bowl. Okay, we will, now we have our oil. Okay, so we put our oil in. And this is what it should look like so far. Okay, now we are going to add the eggs. Make sure that you get no shells into it. Otherwise it won't taste very good. It will taste shelly. Okay. So now we have our, now that we're back, we're just stirring this up a little bit. And then we're gonna add the powder, or the mix. And this is confetti mix. And it should look like this. It should look like this. Okay, so now we are going to stir it. And the mix can be very dirty. Okay, so we've added all of our ingredients. So you just kind of stir it up a little bit until you get like not that much chunks. So we will get stirring, and then we will come back right. And this is like a short time, but we'll be back right after this quick commercial. Okay, now we're back. This is what our cupcakes are supposed to look like. And they'll be about this size. And our confetti mix looks like this. And our pan looks like, and it has all the like that. And as you can see that we had more cupcakes, but those were just for a demonstration. So now this is pretty good. So we'll bring the pan over to us. And we're gonna get 1 spoonful. Okay, now we have 1 cupcake down. I'm gonna do half, and then Kate's gonna do half. And we have 1 little or smaller spoon to help with the bigger spoon. So then
You can scrape it off of the spoon if it won't
and to
come off.
put it into the cupcake too. Okay. Okay, we'll be back right. Okay, now we're back. This is what our cupcakes are supposed to look like. And they'll be about this size. And our confetti mix looks like this. And our pan looks like,
And it has all the
like that. And as you can see that we had more cupcakes, but those were just for a demonstration. So now this is pretty good. So we'll bring the pan over to us. And we're gonna get 1 spoonful. Welcome back. We are gonna put the cupcakes into the oven. And you should always use protective gloves. and this is what they look like.
This is what they'll look like in the start off, and then this is what they'll look like in the end. So now I'm gonna open up the oven. It's very hot, so try not to burn yourself, Cassidy.
Do I put it on the bottom or top?
Bottom. What? Do top. Bottom. Bottom. To the bottom.
Okay.
She pushes them in
We
there.
don't know exactly what shelf to put them on.
Just for hopefully the bottom.
So then they won't get burnt.
And now we close it up, and then
now it will go into the oven. It will go into the oven for it will go into the oven for Okay, we'll be right back after this commercial.
Well, and we're back. It turns out the cupcakes were supposed to go on the top shelf.
And the pan's very hot.
And the pan's hot. So here's Cassidy redoing it.
Hey!
And this is what they'll look like. So,
And they're going for 21 minutes. And always use your protective gloves. Because I just burnt my hands without protective gloves. Now you close the oven. Press bake time.
and then you let it use the arrows. You put up then you use it to 21. Then when it gets to 10 minutes, you have to rotate it. That way they all get the same amount of time to bake. So we'll be right back in a little bit. See ya.
Now you can push it down to blend it. It's not plugged in.
Now that we're back, wait. Can you tell us the physical changes?
Yes, I can. Some physical